This lovely canal view home is located in a quiet community and just minutes to the neighborhood boat ramp. The open plan offers a great room with triple sliding glass doors leading out to the screened-in lanai overlooking the canal. The home has ceramic tile and fans throughout and a fully equipped kitchen with Corian counters. The master bedroom is large with a bath featuring twin vanities, large tub and separate shower. Great commute location with easy access to US 301 and I-75. Annual lease only please. Pets are negotiable.